让主居首位，你不要以为是要让教会或是侍奉居首位哈，我没有这个意思。
Please do not misunderstand me. I'm not telling you to let the church be your first place. Let your services be the first place.
教会服事都不能取代神的。
The church, services, ministry cannot replace God.
而是你把主摆对的位置，你现在去做所有的事情，你就知道什么是该有的次序。
And then when you place the Lord at the right place, now you begin to engage, then you will know what are the priorities.
不同的时候，不同的处境，你会有不同的 priority， 但是不是把神摆在一起来讨论的。
At different time, different seasons, you'll have different priorities in your lives, but you are not going to put God as a discussion of whether He is a priority in my
而是
life.
他理当在凡事上居首位，他永远高居不下。
Because He needs, it is rightful for Him to have the first place. He can never be brought down.
你要把主摆对位置。
You need to put the Lord at the right place.
所以这个问题只有你自己可以回答。
And this is a question only you can answer.
到底谁今天坐在你心中的宝座上？
Who is sitting on the throne of your heart?
谁？
Who?
可能是老婆，可能是孩子，可能是老板，可能是钱财，可能是你自己。
Maybe it is your wife. Maybe it is your kids. Maybe it is your job. Maybe it is your work. Maybe it is money.
你如果想让你的人生真正活得喜乐、满足、有价值，
If you truly want to have your life to live in joy and something of value,
你真的想那天见主的时候，能够没有遗憾，说我不虚此生。
and you want to be able to see the Lord on that day and say, God, I have no regrets for this life.
我趁你现在就把那个从宝座上给拖下来。
And I would advise you, whoever is sitting on that throne that is not God,
让神坐在你心中的宝座
and
上。
allow God to sit on the throne of your heart.
我今天早上又在读哥罗西书，讲到万有是借着他造的，是为着他造的。
And I was reading Colossians once again this morning that all things were made by Him and through Him.
他远远远远超过一切的受造。
And He surpasses all of creation.
圣经上说，他理当在凡事上居首位。
And so therefore the scripture said that He is supposed to have the first place.
弟兄姊妹，不要让神和你的生活中间起冲突。
Brothers and sisters, do not allow God Himself to be someone that is in conflict with the things in your life.
不要把你跟神的关系、跟其他人际关系、跟生活、跟侍奉、跟职场摆在一起，来讨论怎么样子不要有冲突。
Do not put everything on the same, do not put your relationship with God on the same scale as your relationship with everything else and everyone else, that it would create a conflict.
神跟所有属地的人事物都不能摆在一起。
God and all things in this life cannot be placed on the same level.
Incomparable Christ，
It is the incomparable Christ.
不要拿世上的东西去跟这位伟大的神、宇宙的主宰、那位为我们舍命的主来相比。
And do not compare the things of this world with the author and the creator of the universe.
他配得我们所有的，
And He is worthy of our all.
这个叫意象。
This, brother and sister, is vision.
当你真看见神的伟大，
When you truly see how great God is,
当你真看见神在做什么，
when you truly understand what God is doing,
我们整个生活被翻过来了，不一样。
your entire life would be turned upside down. It would be
你
different.
礼拜一还是去上班，你回到家还是要做饭，孩子哭了，你还是得帮他换尿布。
On Monday, you still need to go to work. When you go home, you still need to cook. When your kids are crying, needs a diaper change, you still need to do the same.
外面都一样，但是里面不一样，境界不一样，价值不一样。
Everything on the outside looks exactly the same, but inside of you, your value, your worth, your direction is now different.
First thing first，
Brother and sister, again, first thing first.
摆对了，什么都对了。
When the first thing is placed at the right place,
所以
then
我们要
everything is
要
right.
知道到底神在做什么，
Brother and sister, we need to know what God is doing.
为什么他要建造我们？
Why does He want to build us up?